Okay, I'm just going to show a few of these LUTs lookup tables that I've been playing with. Doesn't mean I'm going to use them. I just wanted to, as I recorded in D-Log the other day on the flip, I just want to show what the results can be. But you can also adjust in your favorite video processing. You can adjust the settings anyway without using a LUT. It's just up to you whether you want to use the LUTs or not, really. Going to start off in a second with just top screen as normal and bottom screen is in the D-Log, and then we'll change to various LUTs. So that's normal. You can see the D-Log, it looks a bit washed out in comparison. And then it changes a recommended DJI one, flip D-Log M to rec.709v1. And then it'll change to another in a second. My own adjustments. Doesn't look all that great. Could do a little bit more work on it. And then to a Mavic 3D log to rec 709. So I think that's a bit saturated. And there's a second one, a Phantom 4 D-Log RGB. That's not too bad. You can get plenty of free ones on the internet. That's just a reminder, so go back to how it is normally, and then there again, a D-Log 2. I don't know if that's the same as the previous one, I don't care. You can find plenty of free ones on the internet anyway. Just look up video LUT or something like that, and there's plenty of free ones about. N-Log 709 style cinematic. These are ones I downloaded the last few. I don't say whether I like them or not. You just got to try. You can't just adjust it, the exposure and all that kind of settings in your processing anyway. So I don't know if you need them or not really. It's good to experiment though. I've learnt something, and thanks for watching.